The Beast of Gévaudan, France's legendary wolf. In the heart of France, amidst the rugged landscapes of the Gévaudan region, a legend was born in the 18th century. This tale, shrouded in mystery and terror, has captivated the imagination of many. It is not just a story, it is a legacy that continues to evoke fear and fascination. Gévaudan, now known as Lozère, was a remote and untamed land in the 1760s. Its dense forests and isolated hamlets made it the perfect backdrop for the unfolding of a terrifying legend. The people of this region lived in harmony with the land, yet they were unprepared for the horror that was to visit them. The Beast of Gévaudan was no ordinary wolf. Descriptions from the era depict it as a colossal beast, with fur that repelled bullets and jaws that could crush bones. Its eyes were said to glow with an unnatural light, striking terror into the hearts of all who met its gaze. Between 1764 and 1767, the beast claimed over 100 lives, instilling panic across Gévaudan. Soldiers, hunters, and even the king's men were called upon to slay the beast, yet it eluded capture with cunning and brutality. The press of the time was ablaze with tales of its ferocity and the valiant efforts to stop it. The story of the beast is more than a tale of horror. It is a mirror reflecting the fears and anxieties of 18th century France. Against the untamed wilderness of Gévaudan, it symbolizes the eternal struggle between man and the unknown. Reign of Terror. The beast's reign of terror commenced in the summer of 1764, marking the beginning of a series of brutal attacks that would leave over 100 victims in its wake. The countryside of Gévaudan became a stage for horror, as the beast preyed upon the young and old alike. Its attacks were characterized by a brutality unheard of, tearing its victims apart with savage efficiency. The community of Gévaudan was besieged by fear, turning to prayer and superstition in hopes of protection. In the candlelit sanctuaries of their churches, they sought solace and strength. The beast was not just a physical threat but a spiritual onslaught, challenging their faith and their will to survive. As the death toll rose, a call to arms was issued, drawing hunters, soldiers, and even noblemen from across France to Gévaudan. Armed with muskets and spears, they ventured into the heart of darkness, the dense forests of Gévaudan, determined to end the beast's reign of terror. Yet, the cunning creature evaded their traps and ambushes, as if it were a ghost haunting the woods. Analysts and historians have pored over the records of the beast's attacks, seeking patterns and clues to its nature. The beast seemed to possess an uncanny intelligence, targeting isolated individuals and evading capture with almost supernatural skill. Its movements were unpredictable, and its savagery unmatched, leaving a trail of grief and unanswered questions across Gévaudan. Behind each attack, there were families torn apart by loss, communities shattered by fear. The artifacts left behind, from a child's toy to a hunter's rifle, serve as poignant reminders of the human cost of the beast's reign of terror. They are relics of a time when the line between myth and reality was blurred by blood and fear. Eyewitness accounts and descriptions. Eyewitness accounts of the beast paint a picture of a creature from nightmare. Larger than any wolf, with a coat as dark as the night and teeth sharp as daggers, it struck with precision and vanished without a trace. These descriptions fueled the legend, turning the beast into a symbol of pure terror. Some accounts suggested the beast wore an armored hide, impervious to bullets and blades. Others spoke of its incredible speed and strength, able to leap great distances and overpower fully grown men with ease. Such tales added a layer of invincibility to the beast's legend. The beast's true form remained a matter of speculation, as descriptions varied widely. Some sketches depicted it with a serpentine tail, while others showed it with the mane of a lion. This inconsistency only deepened the mystery, making the beast a creature of many faces. The stories of those who faced the beast and lived to tell the tale became the stuff of legend. In hushed tones, they recounted their encounters, each story adding to the tapestry of fear and fascination that surrounded the creature. These tales were not just stories, they were warnings. The beast's reign of terror was not confined to any one place. It roamed the breadth of Gévaudan, from the deepest woods to the edges of civilization. Its ability to appear and disappear across such varied terrain only added to its enigmatic nature, making it a ghost in the landscape of fear that it had created. Theories and hunts. In response to the growing terror, a massive effort was launched to hunt down the beast. From royal edicts to local militias, the countryside was mobilized in a campaign of unprecedented scale. Yet, despite their efforts, the beast continued to elude capture, as if mocking their attempts. The hunts for the beast were fraught with danger and despair. Time and again, hunters believed they had cornered the creature, only for it to escape, leaving behind a trail of destruction. These encounters served only to heighten the legend, painting the beast as an unstoppable force. The arsenal deployed against the beast was formidable, from muskets and bayonets to poisoned baits and steel traps. Each weapon and tactic was a testament to the desperation and determination of those who sought to end the beast's reign of terror. Yet, the creature seemed to defy all conventional means of destruction. Theories about the beast's true nature abound, each offering a different explanation for the mystery. Was it a lone wolf of extraordinary size, a hyena escaped from a royal menagerie, or something even more sinister? The debate continues to this day, with each theory adding its own twist to the legend. As months turned into years, the hunt for the beast became a saga of endurance and obsession. The changing seasons saw the rise and fall of countless hunters, each leaving their mark on the story of the beast. Yet, through it all, the creature remained a step ahead, a shadow just beyond reach. Today, the region of Gévaudan bears little resemblance to the land once terrorized by the beast. Peaceful villages and serene landscapes stand in stark contrast to the dark tales that once dominated this land. Yet, the legend of the Beast of Gévaudan continues to captivate and intrigue, a reminder of the region's tumultuous past. The legacy of the Beast of Gévaudan has transcended the boundaries of folklore to become a significant part of French cultural heritage. Statues and museum exhibits pay homage to the tale, while cultural events and tours bring curious visitors from around the world, eager to explore the legend firsthand. For the people of Gévaudan, the story of the beast is more than a legend. It's a historical event that shaped their community. Historians and locals alike reflect on its impact, pondering the lessons it teaches us about fear, the unknown, and the human capacity to confront and overcome our darkest nightmares. The Beast of Gévaudan has found new life in the realms of film, literature, and video games, a testament to its enduring allure. These reinterpretations keep the legend alive, inviting new generations to explore its mysteries and speculate on the nature of the beast. As the sun sets over Gévaudan, casting long shadows across the land, the legend of the beast remains, a haunting tale of mystery and terror. It serves as a timeless reminder of the power of storytelling and the enduring fascination with the unknown. The Beast of Gévaudan, whether myth or monster, continues to inspire awe and wonder, a legend etched in the annals of history and the human imagination. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you enjoyed the content and see you in our next video.